don't know. Have a good day.
Hello and welcome to Adells. Today we'll walk through a calm and simple manual pump session together, right here in the comfort of home. If you'd like more gentle tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Home is where we feel most at ease. The familiar surroundings, the warmth of your favorite corner, the quiet hum of your space. All of this creates the perfect atmosphere for relaxation. Before beginning, set yourself up comfortably. Place your pump, a clean container, and a soft towel nearby. It can help to keep water or tea within reach, so you don't need to move once you've settled in. Choose your spot. Maybe the sofa, your favorite armchair, or even sitting cross-legged on the bed. Add a pillow behind your back for extra support and let your shoulders drop naturally. Take a moment to breathe. Inhale slowly through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Let the pace of your breath remind you that there's no need to hurry. Hold the manual pump gently in your hand. Begin with light, steady squeezes, paying attention to how your body responds. Find a rhythm that feels natural and easy, not forced. As you continue, notice the little details around you. The softness of the cushions, the scent of your room, the comfort of being in your own space. These familiar touches can make the session feel smoother and calmer. If your hand begins to feel tired, pause for a moment. Shake it out gently, roll your wrist, or switch hands if that feels better. Remember, breaks are part of the process too. You can also try syncing your pump rhythm with your breathing. A slow inhale as you prepare, and a steady exhale as you release. This creates a flow that feels almost meditative. Thank you for watching. I hope you will support me with a like and subscribe.